Hi, this is Paul from the Military Modelling channel, and basically this is my very last update before I paint. It's just a short one, just to explain. What I've actually done now is, as you can see on the actual periscope, we've actually got the anti-vibration attachment wires that are actually on the thing. I used stretch sprue for that, so it's got it as thin as I could get it without breaking, and then I've already had the bars in place. Now I think it, once it's underpainted, it'll look better, but I think it just gives it the impression of that's there. Now I know for a fact that it's, if I could have gone any thinner I would have done, but the point is it's got to be there. So, and it just fractionally wouldn't go there. Normally it all disappears down into the periscope holder, but as I'm not going to put it down, it still look the part, even though it's actually it's very fractionally overscaled to the kit. But I'm quite happy with it. If I ever did it again, which I most probably have to, because I've got another submarine, the was it the Mark 9 C41, I think it is C41 to do, and that's got a similar sort of periscope arrangement. And I'll actually go mostly smaller, and I'll actually do that before I actually put the periscope in place, because it would make it a lot easier to work with, because it's in situ. Anyway, so that's been done there. Also, you can see the actual mast there is in. This lifts in and out. It's actually got the little ball. I cut the actual bit that was off the actual the kit aerial, or flagpole I should say, and put that on there, and this fits perfectly into there, and it comes out quite easily. You can see it's not fixed in place because I want to paint it later. So that's been done, so that was quite nice. I'm just going to move my camera by hand now, so I'll just freeze it off and come off again. So see you in a couple of seconds. I'm back again. Here we go, then another short bit now, and basically you can see now I've actually got the actual the wire that would actually be retain the actual clip. When they go to fire the gun, they take the plug out the end, which prevents seawater getting into the barrel, and also and when it be hanging down below the barrel about here, I decided to actually put it in place because this part was so fiddly and small, it's unbelievable. So I managed to get it in place and do it, so I thought I'll leave it in attachment. Now, there's a little hole on that, believe it or not. I couldn't get in, so what I actually did is glued it so it sort of looks as if it's gone through, but and it comes the other side a little bit as well. So it's actually, and to be honest, in this scale you're not going to notice it too much anyway, but you can see the actual lead coming down. You can actually see a bit of it underneath there. If I move the barrel around, you can see a little bit underneath there where you can, if I just put it back, actually there's a bit of lead comes up from there down there and up and starts rotating around the actual gun barrel. So there you go. So that's it. So I'm going to come back to the other bit. Going to come back in a couple of seconds. Well, I'm back again. Now that is the end of this short update, and it was quick, I know. But what I will be doing now is sometime later today I should be getting the actual this off, taking this all off, and basically all the brass work will receive the Tamiya primer, the actual edging primer, purely over the photo etch part. So I should be just giving a little splash over that, and I may even go on the rest of the sub. I'll see what happens later on. But all the actual deck has got to have it, because obviously because of the photo etch, got to have a decent bit of primer on there. So anyway, that's the end of this one. So the next time you should see her basically not in primer, because I'm not going to do that. I'm going to actually start to do the painting. It's going to take a couple of weeks because obviously this is a long vessel, and I've got to do some masking. I'll be doing the late version, I said, so the actual waterline comes over to this bit, over to there, and comes along here, and then goes back down to the actual waterline. And I've got a nice picture of where the waterline is, so which is really good. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next update. Sorry about the short one, but I thought I'd better show that before I actually start painting. Right, let's catch you on the next one. Happy modelling. Bye.